Jerry and I are in Branson for my birthday weekend, and we are now down a trail behind our condo that we rented. There's supposed to be a little lake, but not sure. It's kind of a treacherous little trail because it's cold out here this morning. The leaves are wet. Up in there is our condo. I think that's ours. But we'll see what's going on. It's going down the side of this bluff. Jerry's already turned his foot once. And I'm having to remind myself that every hill we go down on these slick leaves, we got to go back up. As you can see, the ankles are taking a lot of abuse. All right, I'm just about ready to chicken out because it's getting steeper. And on these loose rocks and these leaves,
come on, enjoy life.
Honey, that is just a...
Well, we'll get down there and we'll take a look at it.
That's just a drop off.
Yeah, drop off.
And the lady that I'm renting this condo from told me that it's pretty treacherous. Here's an example. You can see the water caught up in that leaf right there.
Constantly trying to walk and feel.
This is already showing going back up. In the background, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the Silver Dollar City train. It's whistle blowing.
Come here.
Huge drop off here.
Right there.
Looks like you can see the lake water glistening beyond those trees. But I don't think I'm gonna go down the trail. I've already have a good ways to climb back up on these loose rocks. And it still looks like this is gonna be a good little traipse down there. Now Jerry went on ahead. I'm trying to watch my footing here. I'm supposed to wait for him up here. But he's gone on down this trail. Right now I'm kind of here at a rocky bluff. Condo is up there somewhere. Did you see anything?
Yep, wait down there.
Take pictures?
Wait.
Take pictures?
No.
Why?
I figured if you wanted pictures, you'd take it.
Okay, so my husband is making me conquer some of my fears. Here lately, as I've gotten older, I can tend to have a little bit of anxiety with my health because I'm still trying to lose some weight. And I'm going through some changes. So I didn't want to come on down. Up there I told you I wasn't going to do it. But he's making me conquer some fears today. So I've walked on down this trail now and have to get back up it. And it's the getting back up part that is causing me some anxiety. But he's making me come on down to see this site since I was so close, not giving up halfway here or over halfway here. So here we are. We made it. And there's the beautiful little, they call it a lake. I don't know if it's just a large pond or what. But it's pretty peaceful. And I'd probably like it a lot more if I had an escalator back up the mountain. Or right now I'd probably even settle for a 4x4. I'd settle to have my Jeep. But it is beautiful. Windy down here. Beautiful.
Don't die here. A lot of loads right here.
Okay, so rest time is over. Now it's time to get back up that hill. Okay, so I made it up the little hill from the lake, and I'm back up here where Jerry had originally told me to wait because he went on down to scope it out. It's a beautiful sight, as you could tell, but now it's all about getting back up the mountaintop here. And as you probably can't tell because I didn't show you, I stripped out of my heavy American Eagle Mickey Mouse hoodie, and now I'm in a Mickey Mouse t-shirt because I'm already hot.
Take a picture of me.
And Jerry's still
T-shirt,
hoodie
and a jacket.
and a hat and my hoodie. Okay. I can see a set of condos up there. So maybe this way out was shorter than the way we took in. Thank the Lord. So, I'm trying to get my husband to go get the car for me now, and he won't do it. My birthday weekend, and he's gonna make me walk all the way back to the unit. The unit's up there, where that red car is. The farthest red car. And even this is uphill. Well, we made it back to our deck, taking it easy outside here, enjoying the sunshine and the cool air because it's hot inside right now. So Jerry, he's still bundled up. I'm in a t-shirt, burning up. It was a good little walk. I have to admit, there were several times I wanted to turn around and come back because of the fear of the unknown, whether I was going to be able to make it. You know, I just had my 52nd birthday, and my muscles and my body is not what it used to be. But husbands are good for pushing you and making you do things that you normally don't want to do. That being said, if you come to this particular Airbnb. I don't even know the name of it. I'll get that to you in the description. I think it's Cozy Cabin. I don't know. I'll have to get that to you in the description. But anyway, if you come here and you're in the fall and it's cool, that's a pretty good walk. The owner of this cabin said if you try to do it in the summer when it's 92, it's not very doable. So I'm glad we pushed through. I got some beautiful fall pictures. The lake was gorgeous. It was refreshing. And now I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe sit here and catch our breath before we go out and maybe do some antiquing. You have any, Jerry? The camera's on you as well.
God is good and I'm enjoying the downtime.
All right. Remember, you have but this one life to live. Get out, take a long hike, walk to a lake, walk around a lake. It doesn't have to be that steep or adventurous. Just get out and enjoy the moments you have and make memories.